1.36. 2005, 1.69. Fast forward 2010, your bank assets, folks, 0.49. 2012, 0.31. So that 5% you're getting in your money markets and CDs, embrace it. It ain't here forever. You could maybe get 12, 18 months more out of it, but when the Fed finally does get around to lowering rates, you'll see those rates come back. So back to the reality of no plan with a lot of assets versus a plan. It drops your shoulders, it drops your blood pressure, and you can actually begin to sleep like a baby, visualize, dream, go fulfill those wishes. Why? Because you know on the 1st or the 15th of the month, that paycheck's coming in. So unless you work for one of the fewer corporations or institutions that will actually give you a nice fat pension, why don't you create one of your own? It's absurdly simple. The more people don't go, oh my God, that's exactly what I want to give me and my spouse or whoever it is, partner, the comfort we want, which is income. It is not assets.
And I do want to comment here on this because we've been doing this radio show long enough that I've been able to meet clients of yours who are retired, and they do have that sense of like, of course they're watching the market because you don't just have the paycheck, you also have other money that grows in different ways. So they watch, but they have a very different attitude towards it than other people that I know are retiring or have already retired because they don't have that gut-wrenching fear of the time market drops because they know the essentials are paid. It's done. There is a paycheck still coming in, so it's as if they were still working.
Right. And to me, I want to add, really depressing for me to hear all the time. There are many advisors. I sit on a lot of team meetings with advisors. They are actually training their clients to prepare to spend less, reduce their spending income in times of market stress. Are you kidding me? I was working with somebody for 5 or 10 years. They told me, listen, Blair, market's just pulling back. We're going to recommend that you spend less money in retirement. My first words would be, you're fired. Why? Because it's too easy never to have that experience. Ask your advisor. For anybody who's hearing this show, ask your advisor, say, listen, I don't know if I want an annuity or not, but can you tell me, can this model you have me in, the 60-40, 70-30, I don't care what it is, can you send me a check on the first of every month, for as long as I'm alive, a cash flow model of 8, 10, or 12%, and you call me and I'll give you that percentage. It's impossible to hear. Why? Because there's no stock, bond, mutual fund, ETF, REIT, alternative investment that can ever, or mutual fund obviously, that can spit out 8, 10, 12% guaranteed. Why? Because they're called longevity credits. When your account runs to zero at a big box firm, folks, it's over. When your account value runs to zero in annuity, who cares? Because as long as you can basically, fog a mirror, you're getting that check. That's the power. And a portion, I feel like I should remind everybody again, that's a portion of the Forte formula.
If you saved $500,000 or more for retirement and need help with your portfolio, need help making some of these decisions, or you just want to look and you're hearing this and you're saying, I need to find out what he's talking about, be one of the first 15 callers at 800-499-1658. That's 800-499-1658, and schedule your CPR. That's a custom portfolio review. Now, this appointment can be done virtually or it can be done in Blair's Woodland Hills office. But during this appointment, Blair will address the 6 cornerstones of the Forte formula. Now, he just said it's not just income. And that's really important because here are all the things that are involved in the Forte formula and that he's going to talk to you about when you call. It's income planning, sure, but it's also tax planning, long-term care planning, Social Security planning, estate planning, as well as legacy planning. You can also visit Blair at his website at Retirement Through, that's THRU, design.com for more information. So again, give Blair a call today, 800-499-1658. That's 800-499-1658. You're listening to The Financial Bottom Line. My name is Phil Giangrande. I'm with, as always, wealth planner and strategist, founder of Retirement Through Design and the Forte Formula, and best-selling author with Steve Forbes, Blair Aronson. Remember, there is no greater wealth in the world than peace of mind. We'll see you right after the break. Are you worried about the wild swings in the stock market? Would you like to learn how to have a predictable lifetime income plan? Well, then you need to sit down with Blair Aronson, best-selling author with Steve Forbes and founder of Retirement Through Design, as well as, of course, the host of this show. Let Blair show you how the Forte Formula can give you the best of both worlds, providing lifetime income along with market participation in a stress-free environment. Time magazine said it best: a lifetime income stream is the key to retirement happiness. For a 60-year-old male or female, lifetime cash flow rates could be as high as 12% at age 70. Take back your retirement and get out of the Wall Street casino. Call Blair now at 800-499-1658, and he'll send you the information you want to know for a stress-free retirement. 800-499-1658. That's 800-499-1658, or visit retirementthroughdesign.com. Welcome back to The Financial Bottom Line. My name is Phil Giangrande, and I'm with, as always, wealth planner and strategist, founder of Retirement Through Design and the Forte Formula, and best-selling author with Steve Forbes, Blair Aronson. Blair, my favorite time of the show, we're going to talk about rates. What do you got?
Phil, I got to tell you something. This is really impressive. So you had requested a 62-year-old. So a 62-year-old, and you figured if he lets the dollars just sort of cook till he turns on Social Security at 67, what's the cash flow rates? So this is an indication of how ridiculously positive these rates are right now. The 62-year-old cash flow rate after a 5-year deferral period, every dollar will be 12.623.
Oh my God. So that means if somebody retires, 62, they do that, they put $1 million in there. 5 years later, they're getting an income of $126,000 plus before they ever get Social Security or any of their other assets that they have.
Well, they would be turning on their Social Security at that point. So if they had a $3,000 paycheck, so they got $36,000 and the $126,000. I like to run numbers that for somebody who actually didn't do that efficient a job of saving, right? They have $500,000 in an IRA. They would be guaranteed a paycheck, $63,115. Now, one other really cool feature. For the individual, he says, well, I'm really concerned about health care. I have some history with them of this, blah, 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 blah. Or how about the individual who says, I can't qualify. This exact policy I'm quoting will double the payment to $126,230 instead of the $63. It'll double if he cannot perform 2 of the 6 ADLs, which are activities of daily living. Now, it does not compare. Don't ever believe that a free enhanced doubler, which is what these are called, will go head-to-head with a long-term care policy. But after all,
say goodbye to overpriced cable and hello to free independent media with Rumble, the free speech video app. Enjoy the freedom to be entertained on mobile, desktop, or the big screen with Donald Trump Jr. at 6 p.m. Eastern, Monday and Thursday. Visit rumble.com or download the app and watch for free.
Are you ready for a taste of the Mediterranean? Look no further than Nick the Greek. From sizzling gyros to hearty bowls, we're serving up authentic flavors that will transport you to Greece with every bite.
Sink your teeth into our succulent gyro wraps filled with tender meat, fresh veggies, and our signature tzatziki sauce. Or build your own custom bowl.
So whether you're a gyro enthusiast or a bowl connoisseur, Nick the Greek has something for everyone. Visit today at nickthegreek.com to explore our menu and find your nearest location.
Always wealth planner and strategist, founder of Retirement Through Design and the Forte Formula, and best-selling author with Steve Forbes, Blair Aronson. We'll see you next time.
The opinions voiced in this show are for general information only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendations for any individual. To determine which investments may be appropriate for you, consult with your own investment, tax, and legal experts prior to investing.
In uncertain times, the value of gold remains a steadfast promise. At Tangible Investments, they understand the importance of secure and wise investing. For over 40 years, they've built a reputation as one of the most trustworthy and reliable gold dealers in Southern California. Their experts have decades of experience and will ensure you receive not only the best advice, but also the best prices that often outshine the competition. They pride themselves on transparency, integrity, and providing a service that aligns with their shared American values. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio, safeguarding your family's future, or investing in a legacy, Tangible Investments will guide you every step of the way. Don't wait. Secure your peace of mind today with gold from Tangible Investments. Visit the website at 790gold.com. That's 790gold.com, or give them a call, 888-504-2422. 888-504-2422.
AM 790.
Talk Radio 790 KABC News. I am Tom Looney. The editorial board of the Atlanta Journal-Constitution is preparing to join a handful of publications calling for President Biden to step aside and not seek re-election following his troubling debate performance on Thursday night. Team Biden so far won't hear of it. In the meantime, former President Trump has been spiking the ball in the end zone at campaign stops.
Despite the fact that crooked Joe Biden spent the entire week at Camp David resting, working, studying, he studied very hard. He studied so hard that he didn't know what the hell he was doing.
An estimated 71 million Americans will take a trip for the 4th of July holiday. That's a record. 61 million will drive 50 miles or more. That's a record. The busiest days to drive will be Wednesday, July 3rd and Sunday, July 7th. KABC gas average in L.A. and Orange County has dropped 5 days in a row. KABC SoCal weather, sunny and hot, 70s, 80s, 90s, maybe triple digits. Tom Looney, KABC News.
4 more years of this?
Dealing with everything we have to do with, look, if we finally beat Medicare.
He was right, he did beat Medicare. He beat it to death.
Make the right choice. Let AM 790 KABC give you the tools you need to get the results we need. Fast-paced, fact-based. AM 790 KABC.
In uncertain times, the value of gold remains a steadfast promise. At Tangible Investments, they understand the importance of secure and wise investing. For over 40 years, they've built a reputation as one of the most trustworthy and reliable gold dealers in Southern California. Their experts have decades of experience and will ensure you receive not only the best advice, but also the best prices that often outshine the competition. They pride themselves on transparency, integrity, and providing a service that aligns with their shared American values. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio, safeguarding your family's future, or investing in a legacy, Tangible Investments will guide you every step of the way. Don't wait. Secure your peace of mind today with gold from Tangible Investments. Visit the website at 790gold.com. That's 790gold.com, or give them a call, 888-504-2422. 888-504-2422.
Hey, if you have ugly yellow toe fungus, you gotta hear about the secret 2-minute trick that I found for my husband. It works from both the inside and the outside. Thousands of people are using it to get rid of their toe fungus. You can check it out at crystalflush.com. Jake started off with a small spot on his big toe, and then it spread and got really bad. His toes were nasty. It was so embarrassing. He was afraid to take his socks off. He hid his yellow and crumbly toes from everyone. He tried everything to get rid of it. Nothing helped. And then we found crystalflush.com. It was the only thing that worked. In just a few weeks, his toes looked amazing. He's now walking around barefoot again. You guys need to try this. I'm telling you, this stuff is different. It's not sold in stores, but go check it out at crystalflush.com. They'll even let you try it risk-free, so you have nothing to lose. But whatever you do, don't let it get worse. You don't have to live with this anymore. Go check it out now. Just click over to crystalflush.com.
Are you feeling the urge to leave California? You're not alone.
Over 800,000 people have fled the state in the past 2 years, making it the biggest exodus in California history. If you're wondering why so many are leaving, check out the new documentary, Leaving California, The Untold Story, produced by the Epoch Times. This 70-minute film reveals the 8 striking reasons that have turned millions of lives upside down in California and triggered this mass exodus. Whether you're planning to stay or go, this documentary is an absolute must-see. Thousands of people are already raving about it. Don't miss out. Visit leavingcalifornia.com to watch it now. That's leavingcalifornia.com. Your future in California could depend on it.
Now it's time for the financial bottom line.